Hello and welcome to Husky Intelligence. This video will show you how to use service agreements. I will show you how you can add multiple jobs at one time and how this looks on the schedule board. Okay, let's get started. To view your current service agreements, edit them or add a new one, click the Settings cog on the left menu. From there, head to the Add Automation column and then click Service Agreements. This page is where you view your current service agreements. You have the ability to click into these to view or edit the information that is saved. To add a new service agreement, use the Add New button at the top of the page. You can also copy or remove certain agreements if you need to. I will now show you how to add a new service agreement by pressing the Add New button. Firstly, we have to fill out the cover page, starting with entering a customer name. We will then enter the contract start and renewal dates. You can also add any notes relevant to this agreement using the Notes box. Before adding rules to this agreement, I will press Save and show you the updated list view. Clicking back into the service agreement I have just saved, I will now add a rule. This will allow us to add the necessary details in order to create multiple jobs. I will select this particular agreement to be automatic and active. I will now click the Add New Rule button to add in the detail required. I will enter the name, start time and length, selecting a template, job status, a resource to complete the job, and importantly a job source and job description field. This is where we will link the job to a particular asset. Clicking Next, we will enter the relevant criteria and enter the asset name. On this occasion it will be the site All Seasons Leisure Center. I will proceed to test this rule, but you can also see I have options to remove, copy, or add new rules. I will now proceed to the next page. On this page I will set out the time-based criteria for the jobs. I will set the jobs to repeat weekly every Tuesday with 5 separate occurrences. The first job will be on the 10th of October, with the final job finishing on the 7th of November. Finally, I will preview the service agreement before heading back to the cover page to generate and create the jobs. Now we have generated the agreement, I want to show these jobs on the list view and on the schedule board. You can see we have 5 new jobs allocated to Sam Smith for the dates stated on the service agreement. These are also showing on the schedule board. I will show you this on a daily view. As I select the relevant dates, you can see a job is allocated to Sam each week, saving time for scheduling staff. Of course, you can make changes to each individual entry should you need to. Thank you for watching this video on how to use service agreements. We hope you found it useful.